Hey, welcome to my shower series. I want to talk about 2026 and what this means for all of us, a new year. I mean, maybe you've also seen the kind of content I've been seeing, which is reminding us that January 1st is really not the true, energetic, natural new year. The true natural new year is the spring equinox. It's when new life is coming from the time of dormancy. Midwinter is when everything is dormant and going to sleep. I mean, at least in the northern hemisphere. It's a time of rest, time of hibernation for some species. It's when the leaves are obviously, they die, they fall, and we get slower. It gets colder, and it's about going within more, not having as much yang energy that wants to move and grow and expand outward. And so, for whatever the reasons may be, and I don't fully know, I know that, there's suspicion that they're wanting to kind of mine whoever they are, whoever creates these systems, that the intention is to keep us moving, keep us going, keep us from getting too lazy, too quiet, too still, too dormant for the productivity of the world to keep like monetizing and moving forward in what you could call an unnatural way. And I really don't want to necessarily judge that as good or bad. It just is. And I like understanding the natural rhythms of things more so because we aren't natural beings. We are part of nature. We're in relationship with it. There is an animal nature to us as much as there is also our spiritual nature. We are responding to the world around us, and we should be. And it's healthy too. And there's nothing wrong with, feeling that quiet, feeling that internal nature, feeling that desire to rest. And then when the seasons change, and it's March 21st ish, where life starts to bloom again, and we start to feel the warmth in the air and feel that change of season where we want to get out more and we feel more alive. We can trust those things. And so even though I do want to acknowledge that it's a new year, I also want to say it's okay to not make any big resolutions or have to feel like, like you're brand new and you gotta, create this new this new rhythm in your life. Um, and maybe you like it. Time to reset, time to reorganize, time to look over your past year. But I mean, you could do it on January 1st, or you can do it on, February 25th, or like any really day of the year. I believe you can take stock and look at yourself and acknowledge where you're at, acknowledge what you feel, acknowledge, what your body needs. I think any day of the year is appropriate to do that. And that's what I've been learning over time, is really how to listen to my body and listen to the rhythms inside of me and what I need, and feel permission to do that, and learn how to navigate through the static and thaw out the frozen places so that I can reconnect with myself and with the energy, with the beacon, of energy and light inside of me that's connected to all that is. So I hope you have a wonderful 2026 and a really restful winter.